Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. It's Kathy and I'm glad you're here. Today I want to talk to you about a Lilla Rose FOTM. And if you are familiar at all with Lilla Rose, you may be wondering what in the world is this acronym that you keep seeing, FOTM? Well, today I want to explain. FOTM stands for Flexi of the Month, and here's why that's important to know. Lilla Rose every month will put out a new style of flexi that's a flexi of the month. So it's only available in that month. Now, if it sells out in a few hours, like some of them have done, then that is the end of that style for that month. You won't see it again. In fact, you won't see it again all year, probably until possibly they may bring it back around Black Friday. So if it's a style that you see advertised and you really love it and you must have it, don't delay on it, because as soon as they sell out in that month, they disappear. And if they don't sell out immediately, they still are going to disappear at the end of that month because it's only introduced for 1 month. Then they gauge the sales on that, and if it's a good seller, likely we will see it again. So I want to show you a few of the flexi of the month. This one is for this month, June. So if you love it, don't delay. This will be available for another, 10 days or so. I have a filter I'm going to just put on here really quickly. It'll make me go blurry, but it's going to show this a little bit better. So this is the flexi of the month for this month, and I just wanted you to see the detail on that little bird singing on a perch. So that is for this month. If you like that, it comes in 2 versions. I have not purchased the other one. This comes in like one that's light with pink beading here and just silver. So that is available on the website until the end of June. But I really like the one with the green and copper beading. So that is a really cute one. Just to give you a few examples of others that they've had, I'm going to put this back on here again. Now this one was Posy, and I think that was last year because they have actually added this to the website, so that can be purchased now. Here are a few others. This one is a dogwood, beautiful brass with it's kind of like a mother of pearl. Can you see the shimmer on that? So this one is available on the website. This was another FOTM that is no longer available. That was a beautiful one. And here's one that was available this year. This one I thought was gorgeous. This is called Phoebe. The colors on that are really pretty, kind of peacock colors. So another thing I want you to know is they introduce them with they pair them with another product. So usually there's it comes with U-pins, which is what these are. So these would go in like a bun, one on either side, or a French twist. They can go one above the other to secure a French twist. So that's those. Sometimes it comes with a hair stick, sometimes with a hair band to match. But when the month is done, it's done and it goes away. Now there is one exception. If you really love it and it's no longer on the website, or it's the end of the month and gone, you can host a party, because they will add those to the hostess reward items that you can choose from. So just a little tip, if you saw one and it's no longer available, you should be able to get it through hosting a party, depending on if your party qualifies for rewards. So that is it. I just wanted to clear up any confusion you may have had. I know when I first was familiar with Lilla Rose, I wasn't quite sure what the FOTM meant, and I hate to not be in the loop, right? It's that FOMO thing. So anyway, that's all I had today with that. I wanted to just share that with you and to let you know if there's a flexi of the month that has caught your eye and you cannot get it on the website, message me and I will see what I can do for you. Okay? Have a great afternoon, and I'm glad you're here. Bye.